Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today the Teletubbies would like to each get a gumball and see what color they get. Let's put in the money. Lala goes first. Lala! Spin the wheel, spin the knob. Oh my! Lala got the same color as she is. Yellow. How lucky, Lala. There's Lala's gumball. Okay, Po, you put your money in. Let's reset. Po will put her money in. Po got a blue gumball. There you go, Po. Now it's Dipsy's turn. Dipsy, here's your money. Reset the machine. Dipsy got an orange gumball. And last but not least, Tinky Winky. Heyo! Put your money in, Tinky Winky. And Tinky Winky got a blue gumball just like Po's. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Goodbye.